Okay, I got it forward. Let me show you. Okay, so this is supposed to be a truck lane. So I'm gonna stay in the truck lane. Soon, if I don't like Google Maps that much, I might have Google Maps until level 10. When I'm level 11, I'll put it to the Garmin Maps. Because Google is not that interesting, and I'm not into Google. I'm into Apple, not Google. There. Stay in this lane because... Oh! Hey! You're not supposed to be in the truck lane. Okay, steep grades. Maybe crates, not grades. Like grade 5, grade 4, grade 3, yeah. And then you can stop the video if you want anytime, but this is a premiere. Okay, call box. What's a call box? Call bots! Okay, this is a truck actually. It's not my truck, it's the truck that came with it, because last time when I played this game, like when I didn't record, not last time, like this is part 1, which was like part nothing. It was a different like white truck. I didn't like buy a new one because I didn't buy a new one. It just keeps changing every time I do another job. I am driving to a very cool country. Uh-oh. What does it say in front ahead? Okay. It says steep grades ahead. What's a steep grade? Okay, I'm just gonna stay in the left lane. I'm not exiting here. What is that sign? Ah! I almost hit that truck. Run away. Okay. Okay. That sound is annoying, though, because it's from Google Maps. Oh, not that way, not that way. Oh! Crash vehicle offense. Minus $260. Oh, man. I only have $9,635 left. Ah, damage 1%. Ah. This is like Midnight Club street racing, but it's not. Okay, I'm just gonna stay in the middle lane. It's telling me... Do I hear Drake that's playing in someone's car? I hear the God's Plan. Oh, speeding offense plus 20 miles per hour. Minus $880. I only have 8,755.
Right. Then turn right.
Yep, that's Google. I'm just gonna stay in the right lane, like it told me to. I'm not gonna speed that much. Okay. Yep. There's that noise again. That's it. Okay, I can turn that signal off because we're in the middle of the highway. It won't like say like do that or something. I did a speeding ticket. Oh man. Don't worry, it's not gonna fail. If I have minus money, then I'm gonna have to pay for it later. Because I only have $6,000. Oh no, 8,755. Okay then. Okay guys, before and after, that's much better. It's still part 1 though, everyone. I got a speeding offense, everyone, and I got a
Keep right.
crash offense.
Then take the exit on the right.
Yep, thank you Google Maps. Going the right lane. Okay, there we're exiting. Oh wait, we don't need blinkers. Okay then, and we're exiting here. Okay then, exiting at 319.
200 meters. Turn left.
Okay, and I want to remind everyone that this is in the place that I'm currently in this game is in California. No! Okay. Oh, phew. Okay, I'm gonna try to like get out of here real quick, guys. Okay then, guys. I just got out. I just got out at least. I got a crash offense for minus $240 and I only have $7,735 left. Oh no. Okay, this is not real money though. It's the money from the game. Imagine if I had like 1 billion.
Then continue straight.
There's only one way to turn and that's left. Because there's no other way. It even won't let me left. You see, there's like X's on the marks over there. Okay, and I think there's only one way. It says you can continue straight, but no, it won't allow you. See that? You can only go left, but you can't go straight. Okay, it stops until here, so we're gonna turn that way. Okay, I think we're in Nevada. Oh no, we're not in Nevada. We're in California. I don't know what kind of California is this, but we're almost here, and we're gonna have to stop here.
You have arrived.
Thank you, Google Maps. Press the following key to handle job delivery. Okay, enter. Okay, let's play it safe. Let's play it safe. We're not gonna skip. Okay, then proceed to your unloading area. Okay, then we're turning, everyone. And okay, one last turn, and there. To skip parking in trailer. No. Enter. There we go. Show results. Excellent. Driven distance 213 miles. Time taken 4 hours and 53 minutes. Fuel consumed 45 gallons. Base reward 213 miles, $5,230, and experience 343. And look at that! I'm level 2, everyone. I'm level 2, but I'm still a newbie. Base reward, pro defeat bonus, $48, and I'm still level 1 for level 1. So I got a lot. Well, that is it, guys. I'll see you in another video. And peace out for American Truck Simulator. And plus, one last thing I want to say, that I don't know where my Discord intro is. So yeah, that's why. I think I deleted it. So yeah, that's why, guys. So that's it. Goodbye.